So today I'll show you two programs, guys. One is just to find out the factors of any given number, and another one is how to find the particular location which is the number is odd, or the number what you have defined in the function is it's odd or not. So those two programs I will show you, so just concentrate and just try to learn something in Python. Hope you are all enjoy and watching learning Python. So now I'll just switch over to the programming part, so just concentrate and have a look at it. So as I told you, there are two programs. So this is the first program which I am showing you. What I am doing here is just accepting the any number from the user. As you all of you know about that, what we can make use of the command input is required here, and just in front of that we are just using an integer, just to know that the user has to enter only the integer number. That's what. And after that, once we are accepting the number, after that we are just checking out whether the number, how to find the factors, means we're just using a for loop for that in that, and we are just adding here. And what is the condition, whether the number is odd or not? All of you know very well. What you have to do is, here we are checking here the percentage. Here what does it do? It will take the remainder. So remainder should what you are doing here, you are checking I is equal to 0 and then print I. So I hope you understand. Just let me execute this, and you know that what will happen. Just I'm pressing F5 function key and just say enter any number. For example, I'm just entering 24. Let's take 24. What are the factors of 24? So just press enter key. See, the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 25 and so on, like that. So now I hope you understand what will happen here. You just need to trace it out, guys, and just find out. This is actually for high school students, those who are learning Python, and most of the schools are introduced this beautiful language, and so for them it will be easier, and just you practice it and you will know, you learn the standard programs like factorial of a given number, Fibonacci series, and what is a prime number. There are so many like that. According to your syllabus or curriculum, you can just learn. Okay, so now I'll switch over to the second program. This is over. So if you want me to execute, I'll just try with one more number. Let's take some big number, like for example I'll take 67. So now what will happen? So 7 is an odd number, so what will happen? You get only 1 into 67. So that thing you have to keep in your mind, that if the number is odd type, then you will never get a big series of numbers. So factors is like that. All of you know what are co-primes, and what are odd number, what are even numbers. So I hope you understand. I'll switch over to the second program, that is to calculate the nth odd number. So here what is happening here, I'm just using two functions in that. What does it do? Whatever the number you define here, so here is the comment. What is that? This function needs an input. So that means that we are just entering here in the beginning, in the program itself. Suppose instead of 5, I'll just enter some other number. Let it be, suppose for example 7th, I'll take this one, and the number, any number which is, like for example I'll take it as 12. Let's see what will happen. So we are just defining a two function. One is just to take the value, and just it will pass this value, and it will check for odd number. So what will be the formula? Just you know that 2 into n minus 1 is a standard formula, and here what we are doing, after that, once we are accepting the number, from here we are passing the variable value here, and then after that we are, with the help of what see, you get the output in that exactly format. So you get the answer. Just it will divide that number, and exactly you get. I have already explained you why we are using F and under flower bracket M and integer, all those things. that is you have learned, so no need to repeat the same thing again. So I'm just executing this, and you see the output. What will happen, since I just change these two values, so it will ask me to save it, and I will save it, and you see that the answer, this function needs some input, as it is it appears. And then what is happening here is the uh, non-integer should not be have non-nth odd function. So 13th is 7th is the odd number. You can check it out. And 12, since 12 is not an odd number, so you never get this one. Let me execute one more time this program, same program. You see what will happen. I'll just okay. What is required here? You need to change that, right? So let us find out the position of third, which is the third odd number, and let us take here some big number like 124. Okay, just execute it, and see what will happen. So fifth, see, third number, so 1 2 3, you can just check it out. And fifth is the third odd number. If you know what is the odd number, you can easily just find out. And 124 is not an odd number, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching this two programs. And just need to practice, and as I told you, only practice makes man perfect. And you can just those who are subscribed to my channel here, you can know that my email address, so just mohgabgulb6 at gmail.com is my email address. You can contact me. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice and wonderful day.